Japanese ukiyo-e. How is it created?
Ukiyo-e is made using a woodblock printing method. This requires a collaborative process of outlining, engraving, and painting. Let's take a look at each step of the process. First, there are 3 experts: a designer, an engraver, and a painter. The designer makes an outline of the drawing on paper. Based on that outline, the engraver engraves the art on a woodblock. Then, the painter paints only with black paint. The designer decides where and with which colors to paint, and asks the engraver to make 1 woodblock for each color. The woodblocks are painted and pressed one by one until it's completed. My art's finally finished. Did you say your art? It's mine. Can't we just put all our names on it?
No.